Could you give us an update on that and also tell us your stand on revealing the health records or the health situation of a presidential candidate?
Have you seen anything, any provision under Philippine law or the Constitution that requires any candidate for any office, particularly for the office of president, to show his or her medical records? There is no such provision. Ito, pampolitika talaga. Bakit na ang aking medical records magiging paksa ng usapan natin tungkol sa politika? Bakit ano bang nagawa ko na kailangan na yon i-surrender ko itong mga records na ito? At ang mangyayari dyan, hindi na ang well-being ng ating bansa ang pag-uusapan, kung hindi ang well-being ng mga kalaban ko sa politika. Ganon ang mangyayari dyan. Ikagustuhan lang nila na sirain ako maaga pa para yung nagsumuro sa kanila ay baka manalo. Do not try and mislead me to go into a political debate by means of a debate about my illness. Besides, don't you see me? Can't you see me? Can you see that I can stand straight? That I can look you in the eye? What else do you want from me? Why are you so nasty? What kind of government will we grow up into if this is your attitude?